Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. And when I lock the device, you will see that I do have a pattern set right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So anyway, let's get started by holding the power key, selecting power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now. When you see the Mi logo on the screen, you can let go of the keys and this will boot us into recovery mode. Now in this mode, using volume keys to navigate, you want to scroll down to wipe data, confirm it with power key, then select wipe all data, and again confirm with power key, then select confirm. And as you can see, data wipe successfully. So let's select power key, power, and this will now initiate a reboot while also continuing the process in the background. So it will take about 2 minutes for the device to finish it up. Once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.